Welcome to the third lesson of OSOYOO Robot Car V2 Kit. In this lesson, we will install two PC's IR obstacle avoidance modules on robot car and program the car to follow object movements. The principle of this experiment is based on IR detection object. The car receives the signal from the IR obstacle avoidance module, and then the program will drive the car to take actions. Step 1, Hardware installation. Please prepare all parts as above shows. You must complete lesson 1 before you continue on with this lesson. Remove the screws on copper pillars and two PC's IR obstacle avoidance modules at the tail of lower car chassis. Fix these two modules with two PC's M2.5x10 plastic screws, two PC's M2.5 plastic pillars and two PC's M2.5 plastic nuts. Connect two modules to OSOYOO UNO R3 with 20-pin female-to-male jumper wires as the connection diagram. Connect two GND pins of IR obstacle avoidance modules to GNDs of the Arduino. Connect two VCC pins to Arduino 5B, as there are just 5 volts on Arduino UNO, and we connect with two Arduino VIN. Or you can use 1-pin male to 5-pin female cable to connect two VCCs to UNO 5 volts. Connect the S pins of the IR module to pin D3 and D2 of the Arduino. Fix the screws on copper pillars to connect upper chassis to lower chassis. Step 2, Software installation. In this lesson, you will use Arduino IDE and Zip utility tool. Download code from OSOYOO and then unzip this file, and you will get a folder called V2 Smart Car Lesson 3. Connect Arduino UNO to PC with USB cable. Open Arduino IDE, click File, click Open, and then choose code V2 Smart Car Lesson 3.ino and V2 Smart Car Lesson 3 folder. Load the code into Arduino. Choose Arduino/Arduino UNO as board, and choose your own port, and then click to upload the sketch to your board. Step 3, Detect objects. Connect Arduino UNO to PC with USB cable, put object about 10 cm ahead of each IR obstacle avoidance modules and adjust potentiometer on IR obstacle avoidance modules to detect object or your hand. When these modules detect objects, the power indicator and signal indicator are on. When the object is close to these modules but only the power indicator is on, please adjust the potentiometer. When the object is left to these modules but the power and signal indicator are on, you also need to adjust the potentiometer. Step 4, Final testing. Turn on the car, move object ahead of car, and then the car will move accordingly. Looks like you pull it. It turns right when the right IR obstacle avoidance modules detect object. It turns left when the left IR obstacle avoidance modules detect object. It goes forward when both IR obstacle avoidance modules detect object or your hand.